Watch closely. It's all about the aura. Stop that rude growling. It's unprofessional. Why so tall? Is the oxygen thin up there? Come down here and be my sidekick.
Hey, buddy. Same feline family, but that mane is so last season. Need my barber's number?
Your mane looks like weak Wi-Fi.
Want me to recommend a barber? If you're the real king, come out here. If you're the real king, come out here.
This meat cushion is okay, but too much black and white. Doesn't match my royal gold fur. Whoa, with that temper, how are you a king?
To be honest, I'm a king too. King of this house. To be honest, I'm a king too. King of this house. They say a king must roar loud.
Leo, stop making a mess.
Yeah, king on break.
Leo, stop making a mess.
Yeah, king on break.
Hey, buddy. We're both cats, but your style looks kinda outdated. Can you see me? Nope. That's stealth level ninja master.
I'll help you escape. Hey, buddy. Same feline family, but that mane is so last season. Need my barber's number?
Let's switch roles. I'll be the king, you be the pet.
Don't worry, just trimming your mane a little. Yeah, guess you prefer the wild, natural style.
This is what cool looks like.
Do I look like a swamp assassin yet? Only difference is, I'm much more handsome.
Whoa, with that temper, how are you a king? I'm the king of my three-alley neighborhood.
Này anh bạn, cùng họ mèo mà style anh hơi lỗi mốt nha. Bờm anh như wifi yếu vậy. Để tôi giới thiệu barber xịn. Nóng tính vậy sao làm vua được?
At this speed, old man, you'll never live to see all the glory of this magnificent cat.
No, say hello first. Okay, you speak boss language. I don't get it.